To automatically take notes during your Microsoft Teams meetings using AI, start by heading over to Fathom AI and creating a free account. You'll find the link to Fathom's website in the description below. Make sure to sign up with the same email address that's connected to your Microsoft Teams account. Once signed in, review the requested permissions and click Accept to continue. Next, choose how you'd like Fathom to handle meeting recordings. Set your sharing preferences, then click Continue to finalize the setup. Next, download and install the Fathom desktop app. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your Microsoft Teams account. After signing in, you'll return to the Fathom home screen, now fully set up to start capturing AI-powered notes during your Teams meetings. To use Fathom during a Microsoft Teams meeting, open the Fathom desktop app once the meeting has started. Find the active meeting listed and click Start Meeting to have the Fathom bot join. You'll need to admit the Fathom bot from the lobby into the meeting. Once admitted, Fathom will begin recording and transcribing automatically based on your selected settings. Before we dive into the Fathom platform, listen to this short clip from the meeting. Here's what was said. Soon, you'll see how Fathom captured and summarized it.
Hi everyone, quick update. To start, our Q3 targets are about 70% complete. Great job so far, but we still have a few items to lock in before the 15th. Here are today's key action items. If you're part of the testing group, check your inbox. Calendar invites are going out this Friday afternoon. Additionally, the feedback survey will be sent out on Thursday. It will only take 2 minutes to complete. Please ensure that you complete it by Monday at the latest.
To access your meeting recording, return to the Fathom home screen. Your recorded meeting will appear as a tile. Simply click the tile to open it. First, you can play back the recording by clicking directly on the video. Next, Fathom will generate a summary using a selected template. In this example, the general template was applied. You can click into the template settings at any time to switch to a different format. These templates help organize your meeting notes and highlight key points more effectively. The summary includes the meeting's purpose, key takeaways, main topics, and more. To view the full transcript, click on the Transcript tab. This displays a speech-to-text version of the meeting and highlights any action items that were automatically identified. You'll also see action items listed in the right-hand panel. You can click on any item to edit or update the text as needed. Finally, Fathom includes a built-in generative AI assistant. Click the Ask Fathom tab, type in your question, and get real-time insights based on the meeting content. If you'd like to learn more about Fathom AI, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget, you can sign up for a free Fathom AI account using the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more AI tutorials. And while you're here, check out these other videos. You might find them helpful as well.